Consider Git and GitHub as new languages. Much like the languages that we speak daily, Git and GitHub consist of unique vocabularies and syntaxes, which can initially appear overwhelming and intricate. However, think of how you mastered your native language. The same approach applies to Git and GitHub. You begin by familiarizing yourself with the basic principles. As you gradually delve deeper into these principles, you find they act as building blocks for more complex ideas. These principles are the foundation of the entire systems of Git and GitHub. They are key to unlocking advanced concepts and understanding Git's and GitHub's full potential. The more you immerse yourself in Git and GitHub, the simpler you comprehend the intricate concepts. They operate through simple yet powerful frameworks, making them incredibly useful tools for software development. The simplicity lies in their user-friendly interfaces and straightforward commands. The power comes from the robust functionality they offer, providing extensive arrays of features that cover every stage of software development. Git is a distributed version control system created to manage projects of all sizes efficiently. GitHub extends Git's functionality, providing a web-based graphical interface and access control features, along with task management and bug tracking abilities. Regardless of whether your project involves a few files or thousands, Git and GitHub can handle it swiftly. Efficiency is at the core of their design, aiming to reduce time and effort. Notably, Git and GitHub enable numerous individuals to work simultaneously on the same codebase. Teams of developers from different parts of the world can work on a single project without overwriting each other's changes. This multi-user functionality makes Git and GitHub popular choices among developers worldwide. Git keeps track of modifications made to a project, allowing you to have a historical record of alterations. GitHub also facilitates this process by providing a platform where all commits and changes can be seen in detail. It's like having a detailed timeline of your project's evolution, invaluable for understanding progress, identifying potential issues, and making informed decisions about future changes. For beginners looking to learn Git and GitHub, there are many resources available. From online tutorials, courses, and forums such as Stack Overflow to books like Pro-Git, these resources offer comprehensive guides, explanations, and examples to help you navigate the complexities of Git and GitHub. With practice and patience, mastery of these tools is well within your reach, and their benefits to your software development process are immense. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a complex domain of computer science that mimics human intelligence processes. It comprises subfields like machine learning, where computers learn from data, and natural language processing, enabling machines to understand and interact with human language. AI comes in different forms, such as narrow AI, designed for a specific task, and general AI, capable of any intellectual task a human can perform. AI is transforming various sectors, from healthcare to entertainment, predicting outcomes, automating tasks, and even driving cars. Nonetheless, AI's journey faces challenges like data privacy, job displacement, and potential misuse. Ethical considerations also come into play around issues like AI's decision-making process, bias, and control. Now let's explore Git and GitHub, two essential pillars of modern coding practices. Git, a highly efficient distributed version control system, allows developers to track and control changes to their code. Key features include its speed, data integrity, and support for distributed nonlinear workflows, making it an invaluable tool for both individual developers and large teams. Similarly, GitHub, a web-based hosting service for Git repositories, is like a library for code. It offers user-friendly web-based graphical interfaces and merges flawlessly with and mobile platforms. GitHub extends control over access and offers various collaboration features such as wikis and basic task management tools for each project, ensuring productive and organized work environments. Some key benefits of GitHub include its strong community of developers, its ability to integrate with common platforms and tools, and its detailed documentation features. To learn more about Git and GitHub, you can explore resources like the Pro-Git book, GitHub's help documentation, and various online courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Codecademy. By understanding and utilizing these tools, you can enhance your coding experience and collaborative efforts in software development. Scene script. Show a timeline animation of AI education, starting from traditional methods moving towards modern ways. Narrator. As we transition from the heart of AI, let's look at how the educational landscape for this technology has evolved. Show a split screen. On the left, show a traditional classroom setting. On the right, show an individual studying at home on a computer. Narrator. Historically, learning about AI has been confined to university classrooms, requiring significant time and financial investment. Transition to the right side of the screen, showing the home learner using an online learning platform. Narrator. However, the rise of online learning platforms has democratized access to AI education. Now anyone with an internet connection can dive into this fascinating field. Show various online resources, ebooks, video tutorials, and interactive courses on the screen. Narrator. These platforms offer engaging content in the form of video lectures, interactive quizzes, and even real-world projects, providing a comprehensive and user-friendly learning experience. Show a montage of people from different backgrounds and ages learning AI online. Narrator. Regardless of your background or experience level, these platforms empower you to start your AI journey from the comfort of your home, at your own pace. Transition to a scene showing the progress of a learner over time, from beginner to advanced. Narrator. As you progress, you will gain a deeper understanding of AI, moving from basic concepts to advanced topics, making you ready for real-world AI challenges. Scene ends with a preview of the next scene, a chessboard with AI making a move. Narrator. And it's not just theoretical knowledge. These platforms let you learn from practical examples, like how AI learns from playing games, which we'll explore in the next scene. Or take the game of chess. An AI learns to play not by memorizing moves, but by analyzing past games, understanding patterns, and predicting outcomes. Once you grasp the fundamental principles of machine learning, you can delve deeper into specialized areas of AI, such as natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. There are countless resources available to help you learn AI. Online courses, books, and tutorials can provide a solid foundation. Remember, just like any other skill, learning AI takes time and practice. Don't rush through the concepts. Take your time to understand and apply them. So to sum up, AI is a transformative technology that's reshaping our world. It's a complex field, but with the right approach and resources, anyone can learn it. Start with the basics, understand the principles of machine learning, and explore the various applications of AI. Remember, the journey to mastering AI is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, stay curious, and enjoy the journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the future is in your hands. If you've enjoyed our journey today, don't forget to share it with your friends. Follow us for more exciting content, and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on our future adventures. As the poignant words of AI Guru Jay reverberate, we seamlessly slide into his study. The room, aglow with books, personal notes, and a world map highlighting the global reach of AI, tells a story about our navigator. His eyes, a wellspring of limitless potential. This is the genius who will be our lighthouse in the enchanting realm of AI. Voiceover. AI Guru Jay's journey in mastering AI starts here, and so does yours. Each episode is a pledge to delve further into this intriguing cosmos. So why delay? You have the future in your control, and the voyage to mastering AI commences now. The screen slowly fades to black. The words AI Guru Jay, your path to mastering AI appear, followed by a motivational call to action. Share this knowledge, join our journey, and subscribe for more content. Together, we can shape the future. The scene wraps up with a fade into darkness, leaving the audience awaiting the next episode. AI represents a cutting edge of computer science, aiming to build machines that can mimic human intellect. Its broad range includes subsets such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. AI is designed to perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, including but not limited to reasoning, learning, problem-solving, perception, and language interpretation. For example, AI fuels recommendation systems used by YouTube, Amazon, and Netflix, as well as voice-activated assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa. AI systems evolve with their experiences and can adjust to new inputs, thus they can perform tasks similar to human learning. They can identify patterns, decode complex data, and even predict or make decisions based on the information processed. AI can be divided into two primary types: narrow AI, designed to perform a specific task, such as voice recognition, and general AI, theoretically capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can. However, the practical implementation of general AI remains theoretical. AI displays its diverse applications across various sectors. It is used in healthcare for disease diagnosis and personalized medicine, in finance for fraud detection and algorithmic trading, and in transportation for autonomous vehicles. AI also has its place in everyday applications like web search engines and interactive bots. Despite its significant potential, AI also presents certain challenges and ethical considerations. As AI systems become more embedded in our daily lives and decision-making processes, concerns about privacy, security, and the impact on jobs and the economy increase. In conclusion, AI is a progressing field with the potential to transform various facets of society. As we progress in this field, it's vital to tackle the challenges and ensure that AI development is guided by ethical considerations. Conclusion. Cut to AI Guru J, looking directly into the camera. AI Guru J, so, are you ready to embark on your journey to mastering AI? Remember, the future is in your hands. The camera pulls back, revealing AI Guru J in his office, a universe of opportunities reflected in his eyes. Narrator voiceover. And so the journey begins. Screen fades with the words, AI Guru J, your path to mastering AI appearing on the screen. Narrator, voiceover. Stay tuned for more episodes as we explore deeper into the mesmerizing world of AI. Screen fades to black. If you liked this episode, remember to share this knowledge, follow our journey, and subscribe for more content. Together we can shape the future. Dinero.